Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? Hey, I'm not gonna make... Look, she keeps fucking talking to him. Like, leave that fucking man alone. I think they can see in here. That's why my window's dark. Yeah. I mean, like I said, he's cool as shit, but he just slow as shit, bro. Like, what is he doing? Look, what my man doing? I like him. Like, him out of all the people at that house, I like him. Like, he's quiet, he don't make no fucking noise. And what the fuck is she doing? He's still not fucking done. But sorry if it was like negative, it's just like, I get annoyed with like, I get annoyed with certain shit. Especially if I'm like trying to time management stuff. Or trying to manage stuff in a certain time. Like, cause I was actually trying, cause I could have been done right now. Well, almost done. Cause it takes me a couple of hours because when I clean my car, I go like in depth and shit. But look at the disrespect. But got this. It's alright. And this. It's alright. Let's go.
Really, nigga?
So I'm like about done. So, yo, this is the best ever got like my wheels and shit, bro. Yo, let me show you this shit. See, I think you can see it. Yo, look at this shit. Looks like it got worse or some shit. Yo, that dude's exhaust loud as fuck. But it fucking got worse, man. Fucking kids, dude. Yeah. I'm kind of waiting for it to air dry. But I still want to dry it. Like, this shit is starting to come up. And this, I don't know where the fuck this shit is coming from. But this shit is good. So I think I might have to do a headlight shit. I can do it myself, but it's just time. Everything is fucking time. Look at this shit. Look at it. I think I did that. Fuck it. I was trying to fucking avoid something. Yeah, but I'm about to dry this shit off before it gets spot shits. So, I'll catch y'all in a second. Yo, as you can see, I'm at the meet. This is the one that I was trying to get last time. This shit right here, because it was parked like over there or some shit. Shit is nice as fuck.
That'll be enough. I can do 1,000 for fuel and the other 1,000 for that. I would take my share of the valve. That we get junk. The amount of junk that I've seen all this. I thought it was 60,000.
This fucking guy. What the fuck is this fucking police? Oh, that's the dude from like the last vlog. I keep thinking like every time I see his car, I keep thinking he's like the police and shit, but he's not. Damn, Jesus, who the fuck is he? The naked man. Oh, wait this fucking minute. Bruh. That shit. Right there. It's primo. I've seen this fucking car before. I just don't fucking know where. Fucking. See, hold up. I think he's inside. Something's coming. This is Honda. Gang, 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 gang. Hey, yo, is this starting to become a trend right here? Like parking like that at car meets? Please say no. She's like, what the fuck? Hold up, where the hell? Why does it smell like burnt tire? He's back. So that, well, she tried to hit me. And then she looked at me like I'm crazy. I'm I'm listening. Hi! You're debating.
Hey, yo!
There, I don't know, you can't even see it though. You're debating if they're having sex or smoking a blunt. I think it's both.
What the fuck? What, are you watching? No.
They're probably gonna blow their high. What the fuck?
So two heads pop up like, huh? What the fuck was that?
Yo, so the meet is pretty much over. It's like 9:47. Everyone left because it's cold as fuck. But I'm gonna see if I can find another meet because I wasn't really trying to fucking go in the house. It's early, bro.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.